Hey, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Today is Thursday, May 12, 2022. Doing this from behind the camera because I have nowhere to set it. But this is the beginning of a new store in Jacksboro, Texas. We're going in here with the Electrolux 130 G-Force with the Compass Pro controls. And the store will have all of the Electrolux 50-pound stacked reversing dryers. So this is going to be pretty much the back of the store, and I'll show you the front. This will be opened up. I take that back. He's going to go to where this is over here and put a demising wall, a couple of water closets over here. Then we'll have the dryers going all the way down the back wall over there. I do not exactly know what his plans are for the back, but as you can hear and see, they're putting a new roof on right now. So this is going to be cool. It was an old Radio Shack. Go find one of those nowadays. All right, so I believe he's going to leave this here. We're going to have the dryers going all the way through here so we can have the HVAC. We'll have a row of washers going this way, another row of washers going up here, the bigger ones, the 20 pounds back to back over here, and then draining out the back. This wall will come down. He's got a ceiling, but he's going to put in new lighting. So this will be the front, and we have great visibility through the front of the building, good parking. There you have it. Of course, those fans will come out. And I'll walk outside real quick so you can see the front. Main Street in Jacksboro, Texas. So there you have it. There's the new store. Have a sign up over here, and great for business. I mean, great visibility. Parking here, parking on the side. There's the HVAC. He's got a gap here where all the dryers are going to vent out. So watch these as I update them, and you'll see the progress. We're hoping to have this open in about 90 days. Electrolux can deliver equipment in 60 days or less. Any questions or comments, please leave them for me. I know it's brand new. There came out to be too many questions. But thanks for watching, and I'll be adding videos as we go.